subscribe for daily quizzes, and let me know how many you got correct today. Here's some general knowledge, political theories trivia. Who wrote The Social Contract? Is it A. John Locke, B. Jean-Jacques Rousseau, C. Karl Marx, or D. Thomas Hobbes? The correct answer is B. Jean-Jacques Rousseau. What system replaces monetary economies with communal sharing? Is it A. Gift economy, B. Barter system, C. Capitalist economy, or D. Planned economy? The correct answer is A. Gift economy. What term describes a governing body without kings? Is it A. Aristocracy, B. Theocracy, C. Republic, or D. Monarchy? The correct answer is C. Republic. Who developed the concept of the overman? Is it A. Friedrich Nietzsche, B. Sigmund Freud, C. Carl Jung, or D. Jean-Paul Sartre? The correct answer is A. Friedrich Nietzsche. Which movement seeks to promote economic equality? Is it A. Communism, B. Capitalism, C. Socialism, or D. Liberalism? The correct answer is A. Communism. What theory criticizes capitalism's inequalities? Is it A. Libertarianism, B. Supply-side economics, C. Capitalism 101, or D. Marxism? The correct answer is D. Marxism. What term indicates rule by a small elite? Is it A. Oligarchy, B. Democracy, C. Plutocracy, or D. Autocracy? The correct answer is A. Oligarchy. Who introduced the idea of civil disobedience? Is it A. Leo Tolstoy, B. Thomas Jefferson, C. Mahatma Gandhi, or D. Henry David Thoreau? The correct answer is D. Henry David Thoreau. What refers to the collective idea of governance by the people? Is it A. Democracy, B. Monarchy, C. Oligarchy, or D. Autocracy? The correct answer is A. Democracy. What concept is associated with political realism? Is it A. Moral diplomacy, B. Power politics, C. Idealism, or D. Democratic peace? Moral diplomacy is incorrect because it emphasizes ethical considerations in foreign policy rather than the pragmatic approach of power politics. Idealism is incorrect as it focuses on the role of ideals and values in politics, countering the principles of political realism. Democratic peace is incorrect since it refers to the theory that democracies are less likely to engage in war with each other, which differs from the concept of power politics. The correct answer is B. Power politics. What term refers to a government without a ruler? Is it A. Democracy, B. Oligarchy, C. Monarchy, or D. Anarchy? The correct answer is D. Anarchy. What theory emphasizes state sovereignty? Is it A. Critical theory, B. Constructivism, C. Liberalism, or D. Realism? The correct answer is D. Realism. Which political theory advocates for gradual reform? Is it A. Libertarianism, Marxism, C. Social democracy, or D. Anarchism? The correct answer is C. Social democracy. What system is characterized by centralized control? Is it A. Federalism, B. Anarchy, C. Totalitarianism, or D. Democracy? The correct answer is C. Totalitarianism. Who is known for the theory of moral economy? Is it A. E.P. Thompson, B. Max Weber, C. Adam Smith, or D. Karl Marx? The correct answer is A. E.P. Thompson. Which economic theory supports minimal government intervention? Is it A. Socialism, B. Keynesianism, C. Neoliberalism, or D. Mercantilism? The correct answer is C, neoliberalism. What refers to a political system governed by religious leaders? Is it A, theocracy, B, monarchy, C, oligarchy, or D, democracy? The correct answer is A, theocracy. Which philosophical approach focuses on the will of the masses? Is it A, fascism, B, individualism, C, populism, or D, elitism? The correct answer is C, populism. What term defines a state ruled by a king? Is it A, democracy, B, republic, C, oligarchy, or D, monarchy? The correct answer is D, monarchy. Who is associated with the term the end of history? Is it A, Karl Marx, B, Francis Fukuyama, C, John Locke, or D, 1989? The correct answer is B, Francis Fukuyama. What political theory promotes the welfare state? Is it A, anarchism, B, conservatism, C, social liberalism, or D, Marxism? The correct answer is C, social liberalism. What theory is based on social contract theory? Is it A, contractarianism, B, Marxism, C, divine right, or D, utilitarianism? The correct answer is A, contractarianism. Which ideology emphasizes environmental stewardship? Is it A, traditionalism, B, capitalism, C, militarism, or D, green politics? The correct answer is D, green politics. What refers to the universal application of laws? Is it A, natural rights, B, Magna Carta, C, rule of law, or D, social contract? The correct answer is C, rule of law. Who articulated the veil of ignorance concept? Is it A, Karl Marx, B, Thomas Hobbes, C, John Rawls, or D, Friedrich Nietzsche? The correct answer is C, John Rawls. What system supports voluntary associations between nations? Is it A, empire, B, alliance, C, federalism, or D, confederation? The correct answer is D, confederation. Which philosopher critiqued utopian socialism? Is it A, Friedrich Nietzsche, B, Karl Marx, C, Jean-Paul Sartre, or D, John Stuart Mill? The correct answer is B, Karl Marx. Who is known for the theory of utopia? Is it A, John Locke, B, Plato, C, Karl Marx, or D, Thomas More? The correct answer is D, Thomas More. What political ideology prefers traditional values? Is it A, progressivism, B, liberalism, C, conservatism, or D, anarchism? The correct answer is C, conservatism. What term describes an economic theory against deregulation? Is it A, monetarism, B, laissez-faire, C, neoliberalism, or D, progressivism? The correct answer is D, progressivism. What term describes the belief in human equality? Is it A, elitism, B, meritocracy, C, social Darwinism, or D, egalitarianism? The correct answer is D, egalitarianism. Who proposed the concept of the noble savage? Is it A, Rousseau, B, C, Kant, or D, Locke? The correct answer is A, Rousseau. What term signifies the ability to persuade or command? Is it A, influence, B, authority, C, control, or D, skill? The correct answer is B, authority. What ideology opposes social hierarchies? Is it A, conservatism, B, feminism, C, Marxism, or D, anarchism? The correct answer is D, anarchism. Which theory posits that political systems evolve? Is it A, conflict theory, B, social contract, C, gradualism, or D, evolutionary theory? The correct answer is D, evolutionary theory. What refers to a nonviolent refusal to obey laws? Is it A, legal compliance, B, revolutionary tactics, C, martial law, or D, civil disobedience? The correct answer is D, civil disobedience. What term describes an economic system based on private ownership? Is it A, socialism, B, feudalism, C, capitalism, or D, communism? The correct answer is C, capitalism. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.